Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I have a Lego Shop at Home parcel. And as you can see, I ripped the label off, of course, and when I did, it pulled the tape off and opened it. So I haven't dove into it yet. This is it. I'm getting into it now. This was supposed to be here for Easter. It hasn't come for Easter. It was like 4 days late, thanks to both Lego Shop at Home shipping it late and FedEx delivering it late. So anyway, no thanks to them, but it is finally here now, and here is everything that we got. And of course, you got your wonderful invoice paper, and I've got the Batman book with the build a plate on here and a whole bunch of parts. So I got like 3 of them. I ordered a bunch of them because they were on sale. And we have the Master Woo plush, and we got 1, 2, 3 Master Woos. Yeah, well, I have a purpose for all of them. They're going to be gifts, of course. And also the Ninjago figure. I'm not sure which guy this is. If it's Lloyd? I think it's Lloyd. So we got 2 of him, the plushies, and gifts as well. And I'm getting to the main set in a minute, and you can see what it is. We got this one here, which is I don't know what it's called. I guess it's like an outdoor friends set. There's all kinds of like a little different things, like a table tennis, a juice bar, barbecue, skater park thing, little mic stand, DJ stand, and a swan. So that's pretty cool. So we got a couple of them, and then I got a couple of the castle interior sets. Been wanting that just to go inside some of the castles. So we're going to put that in one of our Disney castles on our display. So we got 2 of them, and like I bought like 2 of those things because they're going to be, one is for me and one's a gift, right? Okay. So he says, oh, there is our freebie Easter chicken that came with everything. And I've got a Ninjago Masako keychain. And what else have I got here? A Jen Urso keychain. And this is a, well, the Robin keychain, and it's kind of cool because it comes with a sand brick as well, and in it you can see how far they ream that little thing down into it to for the keychain to keep it on, and that's about the same one that they use for the heads on these keychains as well. So it pretty much goes down the whole torso of that figure. That's crazy. We also got Black Panther and a couple of them, I think. Yeah, got a couple of them, 2 of the Jen Ursos as well, and oh yeah, I think we got another. Oh no, we had him already out. Oh no, that's Cole. Now he's going to go in the picture frame with my autographed Cole picture from the voice actor that I have, and that's been in a previous video before. So I'm going to reframe that, put him in with it, make it like a shadow box, and I'll do another video on that. And of course, another, well, I guess it's like Forest Ranger or whatever, city figure. Yeah, it's a city figure, but he's close enough to being a Royal Canadian Mounted Policeman. Only the RCMP wear red, but you know, this is blue, and he is in our amusement park, so we have 2 of them now. So it's kind of cool. Got them for our amusement park. And of course, the pièce de résistance, and it's not Emma's piece of resistance. It is Yabba Dabba Doo. It is the Flintstone set. Oh my God, I cannot wait to put this together and do a video of this, especially from Fred, talking about Fred. You know, there's some things in here I wish they would have really done a lot better, like the bowling part of it. They could have done away with that and made a Pebbles and Bam Bam figure, or a Dino Bam Bam, a Dino figure at least. But maybe they're waiting to come out with some blind bags or something, or maybe something else. I don't know. But this is a Lego idea set, so probably not. As you know, they scaled down all the designer sets that designers send into them and win for Lego ideas. So it's disappointing that they actually didn't do the set properly, in my opinion, being a Flintstones fan for, 45 plus years. The set is nice. Lego, I don't think, did it justice, but that's just my opinion. Right now, I'll know when I build it, and I see some things in there that rot my socks, and I will be changing because it's just not right. But I digress. I am very happy to get this, and we'll go from there. So that is the massive shop at home haul that I got for Easter. For people. That did not arrive on time for Easter. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Talk to you soon. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.